Today we're opening your hips for full split. No experience needed, just follow me. Both legs long and wide, reach up, side bend, feel the stretch slowly, side to side. Breathe. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, relax your shoulder. Slowly, deep stretch. Exhale, hold right, center, left, moving at your own pace. Let your body melt into the stretch. Bring your right knee forward. Slide your left leg back. Square your hips to the front. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, slowly walk your hands forward. Lower your chest down. Rest your forehead down. Relax your hips. Stay here and breathe. Slowly wake up and switch side. Slowly wake up, come into lizard pose. Step your left foot outside your left hands. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, sink your hips down. Stay here or come down onto your forearms. Inhale and exhale. Switch side. Slowly wake up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hand to the heart center and twist to your right. Lengthen spine. Relax your shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Gently switch side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Twist. Lengthen spine. Focus on your breath. Slowly release and gently lie down on your back. Draw your right knee into your chest. Feel the release in your lower back. Slowly release and switch side. Slowly release. Bend your both knee and circle your knee. Slowly inhale and exhale. Switch direction. Slowly wake up, come into seated position. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Thank yourself for showing up today. See you.